We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names from football that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned for those. He plays as a midfielder for Premier League club Tottenham, and here's Danish. How do you say his name? Pierre Emile Højbjerg. Pierre Emile Højbjerg. Pretty straightforward once you know. Pierre Emile Højbjerg. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names from football whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.